everyone, it's me DJ Diwata, and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to two cover songs of Mission Souls, and these are Blue and Yellow by The Used, published 8 days ago with 18,000 views, and Whole Lotta Love by Led Zeppelin, published 2 days ago with 18,000 views. Of course, as usual, I don't have idea about the song. I don't have idea about the artist. So what I did is nag-research na naman tayo, and I listened first to the original version. Kaya naman, for me, maybe because of my age, hindi ko siya masyado na-appreciate. Kaya naman, sobrang na-amaze ako kay Mami Sheena dahil ang Blue and Yellow, na-request niya ito sa kanyang mga kids sa tutugin because it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Mami Sheena! And of course, our very charming and sweet Stacy. Happy birthday to both of you, okay? So ayan, let's listen to these cover songs at excited na ako kasi for sure raklakan na naman tayo dito. Let's go! Wow, eto na! Eto na ang ating rockstar princess, Michelle. Oh! Wow! Astig na magkapatid! Wow!
Baby, I'm not fooling. I'm gonna send you back to schooling. Way down inside, honey, you need it. I'm gonna give you my love. I'm gonna give you my love. Oh, one whole lot of love. One whole lot of love. One whole lot of love.
Wow!
One whole lot of love. You've been learning, baby, I've been learning. All the good times, baby, I've been earning. Way down inside, honey, you need it. I'm gonna give you my love. I'm gonna give you my love. Oh, one whole lot of love. One whole lot of love. One whole lot of love. One whole lot of love.
Oh my God! Ano yun? Wow, ipit na ipit. Ang galing. Look at eyes. Wow! Ano yung ginagawa niya? Ang galing! Wow! Ang galing yung magkakasal. Grabe. Wow! Wow!
You've been fooling, baby, I've been drooling. All the good times, baby, I've been misusing. Way down inside, I'm gonna give you my love.
Wow!
I'm gonna give you every inch of my love. I'm gonna give you my love. Yeah. Alright, let's go. One whole lot of love. One whole lot of love.
Grabe, ang
One
galing
whole lot of
ng
love. One whole lot of love.
Wow! Wow!
Way down inside,
Ang galing, Stacy!
woman,
I love
you
it!
need.
Wow! Wow!
Shake it for me, girl. I wanna be your backdoor man. Hey, oh, hey,
Galing din na, sis. Oh! Wow! Grabe! Ito yung heavy metal na hindi mo talaga, pakikinggan mo ng gusto kasi napakagaling. Eto na, blue and yellow na. Wow! Galing! Wow! Stacy, wow! Hindi ko na po
if you're looking for it, should have done something, but I've done enough. By the way your hands are shaking, rather waste some time with you.
Wow! Gumano pa talaga si Isang Galing! Wow! Two songs, pero bitin ako. Ang galing. You nailed it. Grabe. Grabe, ang mga batang to, pinagpala din sa talento. No wonder, no? Requested to ni Mami Sheena yung blue and yellow kasi napakaganda naman pala talaga. Gaya nga nasabi ko sa inyo, no? Hindi ko na-appreciate yung original. Pasensya na. I'm sorry to the fans of Led Zeppelin and of course The Used. Maybe because of my age and hindi ko ito genre, no, but sobra ko na-appreciate yung yung version ng Mission Souls. Why? Kasi aside from the sweetness of voice of Stacy, talaga napapagaang niya talaga yung yung pagka heavy metal nito, no, and sobrang galing ni Ice sa drums talaga naman. Ice, grabe, ang perfect talaga ng bawat timing mo, and yung Three Sisters talaga namang sobrang gagaling sa sa kanilang kanilang mga guitars, no, and of course si Nases pagdating talaga sa keyboard, and masasabi natin na napaka-talented din, sabihin natin flexible din yung kanyang talent. And of course, ang ating rockstar princess na si Nisha talaga namang napakahusay, ipit na ipit pero ang ganda ng dating sa tinga, napakaganda ng ng version nato. At ang ating sweet and adorable Stacy na nagpagaang ng kantang ito, talaga namang masasabi natin na napakahusay sa ginawa niyang cover song na ito, no? And all in all, wala akong itulak kabigin, lahat kayo kakabigin ko Mission Souls. Ang mga batang ito talaga napakahusay, multi-talented, at masasabi natin na one of the wonderful musicians, diba? Okay, so ayan, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs of our very own Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe. Mission Souls, ang dami nilang magagandang cover song na mapapakinggan nyo at talagang mag-enjoy kayo sa kanilang pagiging rockstar kids. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up, and if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button or notification bell to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also aking DJB Israel. Ayan, marami din po kayong mga reaction video na mapapanood ko dyan. Sana sipagin ako mag-upload dito. Okay, so marami pa akong habuling cover song na gagawa na reaction video para sa ating pinakamamahal na Mission Souls. Kaya naman, sana, diba, makagawa uli ako ng paraan para makagawa ng reaction video para sa ating pinakamamahal na Mission Souls. Okay? So, ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Wag po kayo magalit sa akin, no? Kung ginagawan ko ng reaction video yung Mission Souls and France Rhythm, and sobra kong mahal ang Mission Souls at France Rhythm. Pareho silang napakahusay. For me, wala tayong dapat ibaba, kasi pareho sila nagbibigay karangalan sa ating bansang Pilipinas, kasi worldwide na po ang gumagawa ng reaction video at nakikilala na po ang mga family bands na ito. Kaya sana supportahan na lang natin pareho, kasi both of them, they make me smile, they give me happiness, at sila po yung aking stress reliever. Kaya sana po no hate, just love lang tayo if pareho nating mahalin yung ating mga pinakamamahal na family bands. Okay, so once again, this is DJB Diwata saying thank you so much for always watching my reaction video, and thank you so much for always supporting my channel or channels, kasi nanonood din po kayo sa aking reaction video doon sa DJB Israel. Always remember that music is life, and life is still without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. I love you all.